Then how a solution is formed? For formation of the solution, the first ionic compound is converted into the ion, and then that ion is surrounded by the water molecules. So the first case, when the ionic compound gets separated into ion, some amount of energy is required from outside, that is called the lattice energy. As example, NaCl, it is the ionic compounds, and for converted into the ion Na plus and Cl minus, some amount of energy is required from the outside, that is called the lattice energy. When it form the ion, now this ion is surrounded by the water molecules from the all side. Then some amount of energy is released, that is called the hydration energy. So for formation of a solution, there is a role of a lattice energy and the hydration energy. For formation of the solution, hydration energy must be more than the lattice energy. For the polar compound, a polar solvent is required, and water is a good polar solvent. Why? Because water has two parts, one is the oxygen and other is the hydrogen. Oxygen has negatively charged and hydrogen has positively charged, so it is a polar compound. Like this, liquid ammonia, liquid hydrogen sulfide and liquid sulfur dioxide is also a good polar solvent. Here ionic compounds can be dissolved easily, whereas the non-polar compounds are soluble in the non-polar solvent. The mechanism for formation of solution for non-polar compounds is due to the interaction of solute-solute, solute-solvent and solvent-solvent interaction. Then the solution is formed. As example, we know that iodine is a non-polar compound, so it can dissolve in the non-polar solvent like the ethyl alcohol and ether.